it's Arena here. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing a Disney inspired princess look, and I'm going to try to, do a Tiana inspired makeup look. Let's go ahead and get started. Thank you, everyone. Alright, everyone. My hair is all over the place. You can't really see it. So anyways, this is the finished look. Let me turn it up. So I went ahead and added a little bit of glitter, and I definitely wanted it to be a shimmery kind of eyeshadow look. I used like a earth tone brown, and I did apply green here, but it does look dark green, not so much bright, so it's really hard to see. I did use the Prince Naveen lip color, but for some reason it looks a little bit more red. I'm not sure why. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. I will see you next time.